What's really going on? A little on the damp. A little damp last night. Not too bad. A little bit.
All the racing action.
Oh, yeah, man.
Racing starts.
Yeah. Skidoo. Oh, how you doing? Nice. 7:49.
Don't be a chump. Hey.
Don't be a chump. Buy some merch up onepuggup.com. So we got the front facing rear view. It's just the dash cam variety, but I like this one. A big time! And we're giving one away. So stay tuned for the movie about this one. We still gotta hook up the rear camera though, so hang on a minute. Just facilitate the situation with some heat here. Go grab Felon, drop off the trailer, smoke some cigarettes. Oh, this is good. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. One flag. Eh? Yeah, we did the locates, boys. We got one flag. Oh, that's good. Oh my god. That's it, eh? That's all you got. Oh, oh! I see a whole bunch of flags on the ground here. So that would probably tell me that somebody's been pulling a bunch of flags out and stuff. So that's cool. That's what I like to see, boys. I got this little electric chainsaw thing too we'll bring. Yeah. And we can just kind of... Remember that movie that when I was fixing my truck and I says I got a package? This is what was in it. We're gonna give one away off. Yeah, hopefully we listen to that barking dog the entire time. That would be so fucking cool. There we go. Just had the brake on. Look at this thing go, boys. Watch this. That's upwards of 2-inch stock onto it. Nice. Open up a little spot here for us to work. Yeah, frig yeah, boys. Nice. Look at this. We just made a whole bunch of rooms to work with our chainsaw. We'll come in there and we'll put our little friggin' dry well right in there. It'll be awesome. I mean, hopefully we got a lot of trees and stuff, so it's gonna be diabolical, but we'll put it where we can. I mean, if we gotta put it out here, whatever, we'll just build like a little Burmalini right here so the water has to go that way, you know? It'd be awesome. Yeah, boys, check that out. Friggin' yard care onto it and stuff. Nice.
Check something out over there.
What? Fine.
More concrete. Yep.
Well, sometimes it just don't work out, boys. We had to quit. So nobody knows what's going on, and found out that the field over here floods. So, you know, I mean, that's where we were draining the water to. So if that floods over there, you know, I mean, this is the first we heard of it. Then of course we come over here and there's a piece of concrete in the ground. So we're like, oh, that's a sidewalk or something. It probably goes all the way along. We're gonna have to cut through it 6 times for all the downspouts. No, it's a septic tank. So that's great. That's wonderful news. So, but it, you know, the lid's all cracked in half and stuff anyway, so I mean, that's just nonsense. But yeah, that reeks, eh?
Yep.
That friggin' reeks. So we quit that kind and we gotta go. I got way other shit I gotta do anyway, so I really wasn't feeling this one. It just, I don't know, something about it just didn't jive with my operation. And yeah, now I know why. Sometimes you get that feeling, you know, it's like a third sense or something. Yeah, complete waste of a day. So that's good. We got to just cut and dig up some sidewalks and then put them right back where we found them.
Yep. Coverage
Cut and dig up a friggin' septic tank and put some caution tape on her and call her a cigarette. What do you do? What do you do? But the whole friggin' what's it here is in a low spot, right? Like and there's no basement. There's no basement to collect all the water in this place. So the inside people's apartments is like ankle deep with waters. They don't like it. I don't know what the problem is, but we gotta go. We quit this kind.